sure why they don't have more light here, but this is a stunning screen. Talk about getting lost in things. This piece of Japanese screening. I'm not sure the details. I'll read the card later. But look at this. You can just get lost in this. This is phenomenal piece of like tapestry work. Perhaps, you know. And it's got one insert and two inserts and three inserts. And the amount of workmanship on this is just phenomenal. This is a landscape beyond anything that the West could ever produce or ever did produce in its time period. You can see why it is that Van Gogh became so fascinated with them.